All right, guys, so we made it here. About to roll up right now to Bear Mountain Car Show. What's up, everybody? Stefan here from Mod to Fame. Heading out right now in the truck to something that happens in New York on Wednesday nights in a cool area called Bear Mountain. Bear Mountain every Wednesday during the summer has this amazing car show of all different types of cars. Classic cars, muscle cars, modern cars, Europeans, imports, the whole thing. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go up there, catch some footage for you guys. And as you can see, I'm in the daily because I just work, man. Time does not allow me to go and swap cars all the time. So good thing I got a cool daily. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna take you. Hopefully you guys like it, and I'll even hit some of the twisties and see how the Durango does. All right, cool.
Excuse me, I'm looking for Broward County. Ha ha ha.
So yeah, did you guys see when I just came over that hill how many cars are down there? Bananas. This show is huge, and it's like this every Wednesday. Amazing. All types of cars. Really cool NSX here. For all my Corvette subscribers, nice ZR1 here. Testarossa. Best position of this car for looks. Sharing away, but
I see a red door and I want it painted black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black.
Walking out here, I haven't seen anything.
man, get a new M3, don't know nobody no more. Congratulations, man.
No, thank you.
Congratulations, man. Really, really happy for you, brother. Man, you put some radials on that thing, huh?
Yeah.
Cup 2s.
Yeah.
What car is that off of, the tires? Is that off of 993?
I think they put them on Porsche or shit like that.
Yeah, so you just ordered it.
Yeah, I got the new, yeah.
How you liking the new car? Compared to the E90? Way better? You know some people curse at you for that, right?
I mean, I don't give a fuck. Like, that turbo is crazy. I love that shit. I like that E90 for that growl and all that shit, but when this shit pops, competition package, the exhaust on it's crazy.
Okay, I was gonna ask what I was gonna ask you. Did you put the competition wheels or did it come with the?
Like that.
You got it, the package, the competition package.
My keys. My keys out.
She like, that ain't my problem.
I never took it. Stay far.
What is that?
It's the compact.
That's the stock exhaust?
I cut the resonator though.
And what else? What makes it overrun?
I don't know, but it comes
do the
through like that. It comes like that.
So
The
it,
compact just comes with a tool like that just to make it do that.
wow, that is really loud. But just to remove a resonator.
Yeah. So that's why I don't mind. I'll take that over to V8.
Oh my God, this thing is crazy. I'm gonna walk around cut the rest of the show, bro. Yo, the joint sound good.
Thank you,
Congratulations again, man.
Thank you, bro.
Really happy for you, man.
I'll see you next time you out.
Yes, sir. We will be shooting this car pretty soon. Yo. What up, boy? How you?
Good, good.
Car looks amazing, man.
Thank you.
I love the wheel change color.
Thank you.
It goes with the color much better. Cleaner. Yeah, clean.
Kid, is that dude wearing lip gloss?
You guys mind if I shoot this?
Hell no, Caitlin.
Thank you. Yeah, man, I do. I gotta have those legs.
The brake kit is what made me really want to change the color because
It was clashing.
yeah, the red was too close with the copper finish. I even refinished the red. That's a Lamborghini paint code. It's Lamborghini Grosso Mars they call it.
What'd you do?
The paint code I got it from a Lamborghini.
For the brakes.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's called Grosso Mars.
Proformance did it, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
and
cool.
they did the wheels too.
You know they do my stuff too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, do you have lots of paint stickers like a decal that I can put on the boat?
GTR windshield is dark as hell. New body. Thank you, brother. There you go. Sorry. Oh, look, that dude in blue. Not really.
Lady driven. Okay, okay.
Why? So as you guys can see, the classic cars is why this show exists. And that's why they usually have the grass. And then you'll see the modern cars and imports and muscle cars up there on the hill. So, but I wanted to show you guys everything.